Hey everyone, I'm Aaron from Low and Slow Basics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some pulled pork in our Oklahoma Joe's Bronco drum smoker. So we've just picked up this beautiful pork scotch from our local Drake's supermarket. We've given it a rub in some mustard to help bind the rubs, and the rubs we're using today are the Smoky Pastures Sweet Dreams and the Cosmos Q Dirty Bird, with a bit of peach wood from Natural Smoke for a bit of flavour and a bit of sweetness. Got the olive pips running in there, so we're going to leave this for about 2 or 3 hours now until we're happy with that bark and we hit around that 160 internal mark, and then we'll go from there. So we'll come back in a couple of hours. Alright, so that bark is looking amazing, and we've also hit our target temperature of around the 165 degree internal mark. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spritz it with some apple cider vinegar, we're going to wrap it up in some butcher's paper, and we're going to put it back until we're happy with the tenderness, which will be somewhere around that 195 to 210 mark. Once we're getting little to no resistance probing around, we're going to get it out and rest it. And we're using butcher's paper today because I want to preserve that nice bark crust on the outside of the pork there. So we'll wrap it up and put it back in. Alright, so the pork is ready. It's been about 2 hours since we wrapped it up, so it's been about a 5.5 hour total cook time so far. So we'll open her up. And that's just literally fallen through there. We're at about 202 Fahrenheit internal. Just getting no resistance in there, so that's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it out, I'm going to rest it in an esky for about an hour, and then we're going to get it out and pull it apart. Alright, so the pulled pork is done. It's just had a rest for an hour, so now it's time to pull it apart. So that is super juicy, super tender. I'll have a taste now, eh? Oh, that is unreal. That's really, really good. If you want, you could mix some apple cider vinegar or a bit of your favourite barbecue sauce through it just to give it a little bit more flavour, but that's incredible. I'm going to make some sliders out of it later on. Or you could use it in tacos, you could make pies out of it if you've got any leftovers, but yeah, that's sensational. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you try it yourself. Bronco drum was amazing as usual. Held between that 275 to 300 all day. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Cheers.